Namaste bachon. How are you all? I hope you all be safe at home. Keep learning and stay safe. At last class you learnt how to pronounce swear letters in Hindi. Once I want to recall that letters to you. A, A, E, U, Ri. A, I, O, Au, Aham. Now we are going to learn how to write the swear letters. How to write the swear letters. Before learning, you have known to draw the basic curves and lines. Basic curves and lines. Two types of curves we used here. They are right curve and left curve. It looks like a alphabet C. It looks like a alphabet C. And next, lines. Three types of lines we used here. The first one is sleeping line, standing line and slanting line. Sleeping line, standing line and slanting line. I hope you learnt about curves and lines. Come, let's now learn how to write the swear letters. At first you have to learn how to write A. Draw a one left curve and after you draw another one left curve at the end of the first curve. And after joins a one small sleeping line at the middle of two curves, it joins with a standing line. And after you joins a one small sleeping line on the top. Next, A also draw a left curve and joins another one left curve at the end of the first curve. Next, join small sleeping line at the middle of two curves. Next, it joins with one standing line and also you draw another one standing line. It both standing lines also joins with a small sleeping line. It's a A. Next letter is E. Draw a one small standing line. It joins with the alphabet S. At the end of the S, you draw a one small loop as shown here. And after you join a sleeping line on the top. Next, E. E also drawn like a E. Small standing line. It joins with the alphabet S. At the end of the S, you drawn a small loop as shown here. And after you join a sleeping line. But finally, you draw a one hook as shown here. This is E. And the next letter is U. U is very easy to draw. Just you draw a left curve and after you joins with the another one left curve at the end of the first curve. And after you joins a small sleeping line on the top. Next letter is U. U also draw a one left curve and after it joins with the another one left curve. At the middle you joins a one small hook as shown here. And after you joins the small sleeping line on the top. It's a U. And then next letter is Ri. Draw a one standing line and next draw a slanting line from the top and bottom. It joins with the middle of the standing line and next joins a hook like this. And after you joins a sleeping line on the top. Next letter is A. Draw a one standing line and bend it with a small slanting line. And after you draw a alphabet J. And next you joins these two with a sleeping line. This is a A. This is a A. Next, I. I also drawn like a A. Draw a small standing line and bend it with a small slanting line as shown here. And after you join a alphabet J. Next you join these two with a small sleeping line. And finally you join the hook on the top. Next O. O also very easy to draw. You already draw a no. That like you draw. Draw a two curves like a 3. And after you join a small sleeping line at the middle of the 3. And after you joins with a one slanting line. And after you draw another one standing line, this both standing lines also join with a small sleeping line. And finally you draw a one hook on the top. This is O. Next, ow. As same as O like you draw here. O like you draw here. First you draw the 3, after you joins a sleeping line, and after it joins with a standing line, and another one standing line also you draw. It's both also join with a small sleeping line and joins a one hook. But here you draw the another one hook on the top. Next letter is also very easy to draw. First you draw as like as a and finally you joins with one dot on the top, that is a You draw a 3, after it joins with a small sleeping line, and that sleeping line is joins with a one standing line, and finally you draw a small sleeping line on the top, and finally you put the dot on the above sleeping line. At last letter is ah. You just draw a 3. And after you joins a small sleeping line at the middle of the 3 and joins a one standing line with the sleeping line, and finally you draw a small sleeping line on the top and draw a 2 dots on the side of the standing line. ठीक है बच्चों, I hope you learnt how to write the svar letters. You also take your note and write these svar letters 2 times. धन्यवाद.